Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, write the following expression in its decimal form. And we have given 900 plus 80 plus 9 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. Okay. Now 900 means 9 hundreds. 80 means 8 tens. 9 means 9 ones. 3 by 10 means 3 tenths. 2 by 100 means 2 hundreds. And 6 by 1000 means 6 thousands. Okay. So we can write this as 989.3 tenths means 3, 2 hundreds, 6 thousandths means 3 to 6. Hence 900 plus 80 plus 9 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 6 by 1000 is 989.326.